Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Cloud Console with an admin account. Make sure to use MFA for safety. Once logged in, export the app data, database dump, config files, and SSL certificates so you can restore if needed. You should also inventory dependent services, DNS entries, API keys, and scheduled jobs. This prevents surprises later. Now start the removal process for non-critical components first, so you can validate each change without disrupting users. You now stop running app processes and drain traffic, scaling instances to 0 to prevent new requests. Once done, detach and lock persistent volumes, then verify backups before deleting storage objects. Make sure retention policies are met. Next, revoke app-specific API keys and rotate or remove service accounts. Update IAM roles to reflect the removal. Take incremental steps and confirm errors are resolved before proceeding. Keep logs and timestamp snapshots. You finish by removing DNS records, deleting load balancers, and cleaning up orphaned firewall and network rules to eliminate exposure. Once done, audit billing and delete unused snapshots, and ephemeral resources so charges stop. Make sure to check reserved instance or subscription implications. Validate by testing endpoints. Expect 404 or 410 responses, and inform stakeholders about the decommission. If something goes wrong, one troubleshooting tip: restore from the most recent verified backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.